In today's video, we're sharing with you 3 fall matcha recipes that you have got to try. These 3 matcha recipes are gonna be so good for you, whether you're craving an iced matcha or a hot matcha. Girl or boy, we've got you. First up, we have a vanilla bean cold foam iced matcha. This is so good, especially if you like the whole vanilla vibe, but you still want that iced matcha. Even though it's not cozy, it's gonna put you in the fall vibes.
The first thing we're gonna do is make a honey and water mixture. We start by taking equal parts of honey and warm water. You pour that into a glass and then add the same amount of water. Stir until the honey is fully dissolved. To make this matcha, you're gonna need milk, any kind you like. I like this Califia Farms almond milk, some honey, and a great matcha powder that is a ceremonial grade. I like this one from Whole Foods. I fill my cup with ice and then shake the almond milk and pour a little bit of that into the glass. And now we're gonna sift the matcha powder. You wanna do maybe 2 teaspoons of matcha powder, and we're gonna use warm, not hot water so that you don't burn your matcha. You're gonna use a little whisk, and you can use either honey or maple syrup. It's your choice of what sweetener you want. And then now you get to see the magic of matcha. Now we're gonna make the cold foam with organic heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna use the Madagascar bourbon pure vanilla bean paste and that mixture of honey and water that we made. And now we're gonna use a little frother like this. Everything is linked down below for you if you want to shop what we have. I love this frother, it works so well. It's rechargeable and it makes cold foam in a minute. It's so good. Then you pour it on top of your drink and you get yourself a little cute straw. Girl, you're gonna love this drink. I really think you will love it. This is my favorite part of making matcha.
This is my new favorite drink of all time, you guys. This is so good. If you like vanilla, this is gonna be your favorite matcha yet. Oh my gosh. The next matcha is a pumpkin cold foam matcha, and you're gonna love this one. The cold foam on it, oh my gosh. It's so good. It's so delicious.
To make this matcha, you're gonna need some pumpkin spice syrup. We're gonna start off with the matcha just like we did with the vanilla bean, and we're gonna use warm, not hot water. We're gonna put a little bit of that honey mixture into the matcha and pour the matcha in our milk and ice cup. Now we're gonna make the cold foam with the pumpkin syrup. We're gonna use the heavy cream. We're gonna put the amount of syrup you would like. I think we did a little bit over a teaspoon. And then we're gonna froth this, pour into the cup, and put a little bit of pumpkin pie spice.
Okay, you just found yourself your new fall favorite, pumpkin matcha. Okay, pumpkin spice latte. Who? I don't even know. You guys, your matcha is gonna be on another level. This is so good. Matcha is so good for you. It's good for your brain. It's good for the energy that it gives you. It doesn't make you dip or have these crashes or like make you a jittery, energetic person. It has L-theanine, which creates this steady energy vibe. It gives you energy whilst calming you down. How in the world? Matcha, you are so good to us. It also has a ton of antioxidants that are good for your brain. It helps with your skin. It makes your skin look better and brighter. Girl, matcha is worth the switch if you're thinking about switching from coffee to matcha. I am a huge advocate. And I don't have these cold foam toppers every day. It's a treat. The third matcha you are going to love. This is warm, this is cozy, this is vanilla maple, it's cinnamon galore, and oh my gollies, it tastes like a little snickerdoodle. A snickerdoodle in a... It's so delicious, you guys. You're gonna love this if you love a power matcha. This has your protein vibes in your matcha. You're gonna get some gumption from your matcha when you put protein powder in it.
For this matcha, you're gonna need matcha powder, cinnamon, and an almond milk that froths in a little frother. I haven't gotten the Califia one to froth, so I use this one from Costco. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of the vanilla paste in the yeast and the milk until it gets nice and hot and has a little bit of foam. We're gonna sift the matcha into a mug and put warm water in it. We're gonna use the protein powder to make this matcha a satiating treat.
There can't be no light if darkness don't.
After I put in the protein powder, I put in a little bit of maple syrup and voila!
He showed me the way.
We're gonna pour the almond milk into our matcha and sprinkle a little cinnamon on top.
Protein matcha is gonna get you into your protein goals. It is so cozy, so nourishing. I will say I won't put the maple syrup in the morning when I make my matcha that it has protein. I don't like to spike my insulin in the morning. I really want to wait for my body to have protein and fiber and all that good stuff before it has any kind of sugar, anything in the morning. So I don't make myself something with sugar until the afternoon when I've had a sound meal that probably and hopefully has lots of veggies to begin with. Eating vegetables before a meal minimizes the amount of glucose spike that your body makes. Take care of your body, nourish it, and put things in it that love you back.